Have you ever stood in front of a mirror and felt like you weren't enough? Perhaps you found yourself critiquing every detail, your skin, your posture, or even the way you present yourself. Maybe you've caught yourself comparing your life to others, wondering why you can't seem to have the same confidence or charisma. Let me tell you this, you're not alone. So many of us grapple with insecurities about our looks, our personalities, and how others perceive us. But here's a powerful truth. Your insecurities do not define you. They're merely stories you've been telling yourself, and those stories can be rewritten. What if I told you that you could embark on a transformative journey? One that doesn't just change how you look, but also how you feel, think, and move through the world. Today, I'll show you how to unlock the best version of you, both inside and out. This is not just about aesthetics. It's about empowerment, confidence, and embracing your full potential. Let's first ask a critical question. Why is a glow-up even necessary? In a world dominated by social media, beauty standards, and constant comparisons, it's easy to feel like you're not good enough. But let me clarify something important. Glowing up isn't about meeting superficial standards set by society. It's about stepping into your true self and aligning with your highest potential. Picture this, waking up every day feeling proud of who you are and excited about who you're becoming. That's the essence of a glow-up. It's about self-respect, self-confidence, and breaking free from the cycle of self-doubt. When you value yourself, the energy you radiate shifts. And trust me, people around you notice that shift. Confidence and clarity are magnetic. Now, let's take a closer look at insecurity. Where does it come from? Insecurity is often born from comparison and self-doubt. It's that little voice in your head that magnifies your perceived flaws and convinces you that others see you the same way. Over time, these thoughts can snowball, creating a barrier between you and the person you're meant to be. But here's the good news. Insecurity is not permanent. It's like a shadow, real but intangible. By shining a light of self-awareness and action, you can dissolve it. When faced with insecurity, people often fall into one of three traps. The first trap is the escape path. This is when you withdraw from others, avoiding social interactions and retreating into a comfort zone that feels safe but isolating. While this may protect you from criticism, it also prevents you from growing. The second trap is the approval-seeking path. Here, you might bend over backward to gain validation from others, whether it's through altering your appearance, changing your personality, or chasing trends. But this path rarely brings satisfaction, as external approval is fleeting. The third trap is the rebellion path. This involves rejecting societal norms entirely, convincing yourself that you don't care about anyone's opinions. While this might sound liberating, it often leads to deeper feelings of isolation. So, what's the solution? A balanced, holistic approach to self-growth that nurtures both your inner and outer world. Let's begin with outer transformation. Your face is often the first thing people notice, and taking care of it is an act of self-respect. Start with a simple but effective skincare routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher is non-negotiable. Over time, exposure to the sun can cause premature aging, so shield your skin daily. For those looking to take their skincare game further, consider introducing products like retinol, which helps with cell turnover, or vitamin C serums, which brighten the skin. However, skincare isn't just about external products. What you consume matters just as much. Hydrate consistently, aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and incorporate antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens into your meals. These nourish your skin from within. Moving on to the body, this is your vessel through life. It deserves care, strength, and respect. Regular exercise isn't just about aesthetics. It's about vitality, energy, and confidence. A mix of strength training and cardio can do wonders, even if it's just a 30-minute routine a few times a week. Remember, the benefits of exercise extend beyond the physical. It boosts your mood, sharpens your mind, and strengthens your resilience. Alongside exercise, pay attention to your posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back exudes confidence, even before you speak. And when it comes to clothing, the goal is not about expensive labels, but about choosing pieces that fit well, suit your personality, and make you feel good in your own skin. Your voice is another underrated yet powerful tool. The way you speak can influence how others perceive you and how you perceive yourself. Practice speaking from your diaphragm to develop a deeper, more resonant tone. Avoid rushing your words. Instead, take your time to articulate clearly. Confidence in speech often comes from practice, so engage in more conversations, even if they're small talk. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in how you communicate. But glowing up is not just about the outer self. It's about aligning with your inner self as well. Without inner clarity, external changes are superficial and temporary. Self-reflection is a vital practice. Spend time understanding your thoughts, habits, and emotions. Journaling or meditating daily can help you identify what's working in your life and what needs to change. Ask yourself meaningful questions. What are my goals? What are my limiting beliefs? By gaining clarity, you can align your actions with your aspirations. Financial independence is another essential pillar of a glow-up. When you're financially stable, you not only gain freedom but also confidence. Start by learning skills that are in demand, such as graphic design, digital marketing, or video editing. These skills can help you generate additional additional income streams. Budgeting is another critical aspect. Learn to manage your money wisely so you can save for opportunities that further your growth. Remember, investing in yourself, whether through education, skills, or personal development, is the best investment you can make. Lastly, let's not forget the role of relationships. True glow-ups are incomplete without meaningful connections. Focus on nurturing deep, authentic relationships rather than spreading yourself thin, trying to please everyone. Learn to set boundaries and prioritize your well-being. Surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. Authenticity is magnetic, and when you embrace your true self, the right people will gravitate toward you. To wrap it all up, here are some daily habits to jumpstart your glow-up journey. Drink plenty of water, aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, dedicate time for physical activity, practice gratitude daily, and minimize screen time. Each of these habits, while simple, creates a foundation for long-lasting growth. Remember, a glow-up is not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about committing to small, consistent steps that lead you closer to your best self. This journey isn't for others, it's for you. So take that first step today and watch how your life transforms. And if this message resonated with you, share it with someone who might need it. Together, let's embrace the glow-up journey. Welcome to Upgrade Habits, where we turn growth into a lifestyle.